starting a photography business. If you're ready to start getting paid to take pictures, here are the steps to get started. 1. Decide what types of photography services you'll offer. Businesses and individuals need photographers for many reasons. Businesses need pictures of their products for brochures. Realtors need images of the homes they're selling. Magazines need photos related to the articles they're publishing. Or you can stick with non-business photography and take portraits or photograph weddings. 2. Develop your business plan. The business plan outlines the details of your business, including the services you offer, how you'll differ from the competition and financial projections. 3. Decide your business structure. The easiest and lowest cost option is sole proprietor. However, creating a limited liability company, LLC, will offer greater protection of your personal assets should you run into legal problems. 2. 4. Create a business name. What you name your business will become a brand image, so choose a name that fits the type of photography you want to do. If you want to take kid portraits, you can have a whimsical name, but if you want to do business photography or weddings, you'll want something that sounds professional or elegant. 5. Officially establish your business. Once you have a business name and set up your business structure, you need to obtain a business license or permit as required by your city or county. 6. Gather needed equipment and supplies. If photography is your hobby, you may already have much of the equipment you need. However, you'll have to assess if the quality is high enough to charge for services. Along with a camera, you'll also need lenses, flashes, batteries, photo editing software, quality photo paper and packaging used to deliver the photos to clients. 7. Create marketing materials. Along with business cards and brochures, build a website. Get permission from your subjects before posting their photos online. Also, set up social media accounts on networks your target market can be found. 8. Market. The key to success in a photography business is marketing. You can't take and get paid for photos if no one hires you. Along with business cards, brochures and a website, use your personal and professional networks to spread the word about your business. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment for more.